Today I just got my second COVID shot. Backyard.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad. My bad.
Just gotta check it out. Make sure everything looks good. Are they in the right spots? Oh, thank you for moving some things for me. I really appreciate it. You're such a good helper. You're such a good helper. Looks good? Okay. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I just got my second COVID shot. And they ran out of band-aids, so they just put like gauze and medical tape, which honestly, it works. Totally fine. We're supposed to get a lot of snow this weekend. So I was already planning on staying home with my shot, because usually the second shot gives you more symptoms than the first. But now that it's snowing, I won't even really have that. It's not snowing yet. But since it will be snowing, I won't really have the option of going outside anyways. So hoping to get a lot of stickers and art and digital designing done this weekend, laying in bed feeling sick while there's a lot of snow outside. So today I am trying to get as much stuff done as I can while I feel good, because I most likely won't start feeling bad until tomorrow morning. We will see. So I've been trying to get a whole bunch of stuff done. I kind of cleaned my room, moved some laundry upstairs. I currently have a Higgins standing on my project, but I am trying to take a whole bunch of pictures for my Instagram because I am running out of things to post. And there's a whole bunch of stuff that I want to post about, but I don't have pictures for, and I just want to experiment with something different. So I've got a poster board down on the ground and I'm experimenting with different flat lays and taking pictures. The one that I just did, I'll insert a picture, is I had designed some stickers for a small thrifting business that she reached out to me and was like, hey, I would love for you to design a logo for me and some branding stickers that she can throw in with orders and stuff like that. I was like, yeah, girl, I got you. Had so much fun with them. She recently announced within the last month that she got those stickers. She recently put up her new logo that I designed, and today she just got some mailers in the mail with the new logo and one of my designs on it, which is so cool. So I wanted to kind of do a little announcement on my own Instagram page of some of those stickers that I created. So that was what one of these flat lays was for. And now there's a whole bunch of dog hair all over it, of course. But I think that's what I'm going to do for the next hour-ish as Higgins walks in and out and in and out and in and out of my room. A puppy. Okay, I'm gonna get to work. So those last clips that I recorded was Friday. It is currently Sunday. I didn't want to film at all yesterday because I had a fever all day. I felt like crap. So yeah, I basically just laid on the couch and watched movies and took a nap and drank a lot of water yesterday. So I was kind of hoping I would feel good enough to do at least like some sticker designing and drawing, but unfortunately that was not the case. So I am feeling better today. I'm still exhausted. My arm still kind of hurts, like it's just kind of sore. But my fever's gone, feeling better, but still not 100%, but feeling good enough to, I just got some sticker orders done, and then I made a little reel of some new quote stickers that I might release soon. So that's kind of exciting. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update on my symptoms because I did say that I would do that, and then yesterday I didn't film anything because I seriously did not feel good enough. But it is currently snowing. Snowstorm. Snowmageddon of Colorado. Oh, it's really hard to see. This morning I woke up and the wind was throwing snow at my window. Like, it sounded like someone was like chucking stuff at it, or like my dog was pawing at the window. So that's why my screen is covered with snow. It's because of the wind. But let me take you out front to see exactly how much snow there is. Okay, so this is the front yard. There's currently about a foot of snow. You can totally see from the pine tree, like, there's a lot. There is a lot of snow. Here you can kind of see the snow is almost to the step. This is my favorite. This is the backyard. And this poor pine tree is just sagging. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next because I already did some orders. I got these little quote stickers up on a reel because I think I might release them soon. I could work on some more stickers, or I think I still have some photos and videos to edit because I actually do that on the side. I started that years ago of taking like senior pictures and couples pictures. I did a couple weddings last year. So I just have some fun little random personal shoots that I could edit. But yeah, so I've been doing that longer than the sticker shop. Oh my gosh, and actually we're about to hit a 1-year anniversary of our sticker shop. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's already been a year. My cousin and I started this in the middle of lockdown when we were really bored, and I ended up getting a Cricut for my birthday in April. So yeah. Oh my gosh, almost 1 month until it's the 1-year anniversary, which I want to do something special for, but I have no idea what. Wow, I can't believe it's already been a year. If you have any ideas, please let me know, because I think that would be so much fun. I know some people make like cakes, or they'll go out and do something really cool, so let me know what you think I should do for 1-year anniversary of this sticker shop. That is really exciting. I can't believe it's already been a year. That's insane. Okay, you guys, it's like 9 o'clock at night, but I have to show you. I cut my hair! It turned out so flipping cute. I haven't had short hair like this in like 2 or 3 years, I think. My hair was like almost all the way down to my waist. I think the lady said that when she cut my hair, she cut off 10 inches. 10 inches! And so now it's really cute and short. It comes just below my shoulders. This is exactly the length I wanted. And there's some like face framing. I have part of it pinned back just because that's like my go-to hairstyle when I'm working. I just need some of my front hair out of my face. But so right now my hair is super straight because she washed it and blow dried it and did the whole like the big round brush. She like round brushed my hair, and so now it's like all flipping in, which is not my normal way of styling my hair. It is cute, but I'm really excited to see what it does when I put like sleep with braids in it, or I do the curly girl method on it. But yeah, a little change. I cut my hair. It was long overdue. I am actually going to Arizona in 2 days now for spring break with my mom to go visit my brother, and figured I've wanted to cut my hair, might as well do it before Arizona because it's gonna be really freaking hot, and to have hair all the way down to here would have just been, excuse my pineapple plushie on the ground. I usually sit him on top of the printer, but I just recently changed the color cartridge. Anyway, whew, back to what I was talking about, going to Arizona, and I figured having short hair would just be a lot more manageable and much less hot, so it's super cute. I can't stop like running my hand through it because I'm used to running my hand like all the way down and then lifting out, and then it just ends. But it's super cute. My mom and my cousin said that I look my age now. Which, by the way, I am 22, turning 23 in April, and I guess my long hair made me look younger, which I've always looked younger than my age, like my entire life. People have always thought I was 2 to 4 years younger than I actually was, so I've been mistaken for a graduating high schooler quite often, even though I'm graduating college in May, so hopefully this haircut makes me look a little more mature. It's so cute. It's really cute. I'm so excited to get to do little fun hairstyles with my newly short hair, but yeah, that's my update for today. I have a rep search this weekend that I actually finished. The applications closed last night, and so I picked the people who I want for my reps, and tonight I just have to make the post and all that stuff to post tomorrow about announcing who my reps are. So I wanted to print a bunch of stickers so I can get them sent out to all of the reps so they have stuff for April before I leave for spring break, because I won't get back until Friday, and that's kind of too late since some of them are international, so it's going to take a little bit longer for their rep packages to get to them. That was a big update. It's been a week, like almost a week since I vlogged last. I think it's been like 5 or 6 days. Vaccine is all done. I got over those symptoms. I cut my hair. I had a bunch of applications in for the rep program, and I'm getting that done. Yeah, it's been a pretty productive week. And it's spring break, so I'm on this high and I have so much energy and stuff because I don't need to think about school or student teaching for quite a few days, and I'm loving it. Anyways, I think that's where I'm going to leave the vlog. Yeah, just going to finish up all of these sticker stuff. I'm excited to go to Arizona, get all of this rep stuff out this weekend, which is so exciting. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching all of my little updates on my vaccine and my hair. Big changes, new changes, exciting for spring. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.